Ivanita Lomeli is an American model and social media celebrity who has a massive amount of fan followings on social media platforms. Ivanita Lomeli was born on October 25, 1997 in the American state of Virginia. Her parents are originally from Tototlan, Jalisco, Mexico. However, she was born in Virginia. She has a brother and a sister. Ivanita rose to fame after she was known to be dating the YouTube star Lucas Dobre. She and Lucas Dobre have had an on-off relationship since early 2018. Ivanita Lomeli became active on social media quite recently in mid-2017. She first began sharing her modeling shorts to Instagram in September of 2017. She set up her account on Twitter in July 2017. She and Lucas began dating sometime the same year. After setting up her YouTube channel in June 2018, Lomeli posted her first video in July, titled Slime Prank on Lucas and Marcus. In February 2018, Lomeli asked Lucas if he would be her Valentine. In the following month, Lucas confirmed that they were dating. They have since appeared multiple times in each other's videos. Her eye color is brown, matching her natural hair color, light brown. She is currently focused more on building her career than settling down. Her childhood was really great amidst a lot of care and love from her parents. They were continuously meeting everything she requires to pursue what she wants. In simple terms, she had undergone a childhood that has unquestionably played a pivotal role to achieve the progress she is getting momentarily.